I reach my target of 100 articles, then my plan for my site will be to, spend a bit more time on backlinks and social media and video, right? So during that time, it's going to be hard to, the amount of time I have to work on the website will go down. So I'm going to just set up an auto blog, right? In this case, I'm just going to publish, one article every single day, just so it keeps on going, keeps ticking on nicely, right? So I have two tools here that I will use. These ones are a little bit more expensive, I think, than Koala, but I'll leave a discount code for this one anyway. And the other one I'll show you in a minute now. So what you can do with this one is set up a blog automation. So just go to campaigns and you just start a default workspace, right? And a new campaign. So depending on your time, this might be better for you, or Koala Writer might be better for you as well if you have a little bit more time, right? So this is just an example of some of the articles here. So here in this case, I actually repurposed my YouTube video that I made, and it just, yeah, made a blog post out of it, right? But that's probably not what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing, some of these articles here. So stuff like this, some listicles, so we have everything is done for us, and then we'll have an integration, right, to our website, and then yeah, everything is done. So what we need to do is, we still need to come up with the topics here for this one. So we'll go to, and when you have the automation set up, then you just go to import all of your keywords here, add your keywords this way, right? So that's Journalist AI, and another one that I recommend is called Outrank. Okay, it kind of gives you like a 30-day content plan, right? So you can change, it'll scrape your website and make, so it's probably better to do something like this when you already have content, right? So it checks, to see if you've already published something, and then every day get a high quality blog post, and they're automatically published, right? So this one is very good too. The quality is really good. The keywords are pretty good too. So you can just grow organic traffic on autopilot. So yeah, this I wouldn't do this straight away myself, just because I just want to get some good content out there fast. But I'll do this now after, when I'm focusing on backlinks and videos.